Did you know how beneficial pumpkin seeds are for your body? It's true. These small but mighty seeds are a treasure trove of nutrients that can do wonders for your health. Imagine every ounce of these tiny seeds is packed with a powerful punch of antioxidants. These are your body's little warriors, always ready to fight off harmful free radicals. What's more, they're also a great source of dietary fiber. And we all know that fiber is the champion of digestive health. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are also teeming with healthy fats. Yes, you heard it right. There's such a thing as healthy fats, and they're vital for your heart health. Now let's not forget about the minerals. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium and zinc, two minerals that many of us don't get enough of in our diets. So, now you know that these tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. But how do these nutrients benefit your body? Let's dive into it. First and foremost, pumpkin seeds are a heart-healthy choice. Now, you might be wondering, how so? Well, it's all thanks to the antioxidants and fatty acids present in these little powerhouses. Antioxidants help to protect our bodies from harmful free radicals, while the fatty acids, specifically omega-3 and omega-6, promote good heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. And that's not all. The magnesium in pumpkin seeds also plays a vital role in heart health. In fact, an adequate intake of magnesium is associated with a lower risk of hypertension, which can lead to heart disease if not managed properly. Now, isn't that something to take to heart? But the health benefits of pumpkin seeds don't stop at the heart. They also extend to the prostate health in men. The secret? It's the high zinc content. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a significant role in many biological functions, including prostate health. Regular consumption of pumpkin seeds can help maintain a healthy prostate and may even reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Now, ladies, don't feel left out. Pumpkin seeds have something special for you too, especially if you're a postmenopausal woman. These seeds are known to decrease symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes and joint pain, thanks to their phytoestrogen content. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds also increase the good cholesterol, known as HDL cholesterol. Higher levels of HDL cholesterol can reduce the risk of heart disease. So, whether you're a man or a woman, young or old, pumpkin seeds have something to offer you. A handful of these seeds a day can go a long way in promoting overall health. And that's just the beginning. There are more health benefits to these amazing seeds. So, stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of pumpkin seeds. I've seen script. Are you ready for more? Here we go. Ever thought about the health of your bladder? Well, pumpkin seeds are here to help. They are known to support bladder health, especially in women. Their diuretic properties aid in flushing out toxins and harmful substances from your body, keeping your bladder in top condition. Moving on to another remarkable benefit, their anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is the body's response to injury or disease. However, chronic inflammation can lead to serious health issues. Pumpkin seeds come to the rescue here with their rich anti-inflammatory properties. They contain a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin E and carotenoids, which help to reduce inflammation. So having a handful of pumpkin seeds daily can be a simple and tasty way to keep inflammation at bay. Now, let's talk about sleep. In today's fast-paced world, a good night's sleep is often elusive. Here's where the high magnesium content in pumpkin seeds steps in. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a critical role in the quality of your sleep. It helps your body to relax, promoting deeper and more restful sleep. So if you're struggling with sleep, consider adding pumpkin seeds to your diet. These are just a few of the many benefits of pumpkin seeds. Isn't it amazing how such a small seed can have such a big impact on our health? So, there you have it, the incredible benefits of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse, improving heart and prostate health, alleviating postmenopausal symptoms, promoting bladder wellness, fighting inflammation, and even aiding sleep. A handful a day can make a world of difference. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more health-related content. Remember, your body will thank you for eating pumpkin seeds every day.